What up, guys? Welcome back to Chronic Eats. Seems to be one of my favorites. It's easy to make, and it's friggin' delicious. Yeah, it's a red coconut curry chicken, motherfuckers. So I got a pasilla pepper in there, which is the green you see, or there's also cilantro. And the other green is the lime, but there's mushrooms, onions, and red peppers as well. Ginger and garlic, of course. Yeah. Just want to bring you this shit, show you what I'm doing today. Friggin' delicious. There's white rice under there. Friggin' fuck yeah, motherfuckers. Check it out. I posted a short about this too, so go watch that short like 5 times. Yeah, hook up the algorithm. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna try this out. Hang on. OMG. Friggin' delicious, just as expected. Yeah, motherfuckers. What else can I tell you about this? I've used chicken legs. It seems to be the cheapest way to go as far as getting some chicken. You get like 15 legs, or I did the other day for under like $4. So how can you beat that, right? There's 3 of them in here. Yeah, motherfucker. So easy to do. I have videos on this from the past, so I'm not gonna make another one for you guys to watch and learn from. Just go back and watch and learn from one of those. So easy to do, you guys. So unbelievably fucking good. Yeah. Alright, guys. Just want to bring you that content today. Please smash that like and subscribe button and tell your friends. You know, all that cringy YouTube crap. I'm going to get back to this. Please watch one of these next videos on the screen. And have a wonderful friggin' morning, day, or night, or whenever you're friggin' watching this, you know. Alright, guys. I love you. Have a good one. Peace.